Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to watch TikTok videos on computer. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notifications so you can get my latest uploads. Alright. So just you have to open your Play Store over here on Windows. And search over here Tik Tok, this one, and just you have to install this. I have already done it, so just cancel and just open the application. So this is the way you can watch any TikTok videos, and you can also download very easily. Like suppose I want to download this video, I will click over here to download. And the video will get downloaded very easily. As you can see over here, the video is downloaded. To show you guys the proof, you can see in my downloads. There you go, the video over here. So guys, that's what I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, so leave a like, comment if you have any question, and also follow my all the social media. The link is covered in the description. And also don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you next time. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye.